It really shouldn't be a surprise that more and more people with thyroid conditions are turning to natural treatment methods to restore their health back to normal. While millions of people with thyroid conditions continue to take prescription drugs on a daily basis, many people are simply getting sick and tired of taking pills to manage their symptoms. Obviously, in some cases, this is necessary. On the other hand, many people with thyroid conditions who are told that they needed to take medication for the rest of their lives have actually restored their health naturally. In case if you haven't realized, people in general are slowly becoming more aware of their health and are making strides towards improving their health through diet, exercise, and nutritional supplementation. While the drug industry is still booming, the same can be said for alternative healthcare. In addition to taking better care of their health, more and more people are seeing alternative doctors such as holistic medical doctors, chiropractors, naturopaths, acupuncturists, and other holistic healthcare practitioners. The reason why natural thyroid treatment methods work so well with many people who have a hypothyroid or hyperthyroid condition is because these treatment methods try to address the actual cause of the thyroid disorder rather than just manage the symptoms. Of course, some holistic doctors will simply use natural methods to manage the symptoms, such as natural thyroid hormone for people who have hypothyroidism. But what many competent natural doctors are finding out is that in most people with thyroid disorders, the malfunctioning thyroid gland usually is not the primary cause of the condition. For a better understanding, let's take the example of someone who has an infection and as a result has a high fever. One can choose to treat the fever and be successful in lowering it through medication. However, in this example, it would obviously be beneficial to address the actual cause of the fever, which is the infection. By successfully treating the infection, you will get rid of both the cause and the symptoms. The same holds true for many thyroid conditions. There are many different factors that can cause a thyroid condition. Weak adrenal glands, a compromised immune system, a hormonal imbalance, and other factors can lead to the malfunctioning of the thyroid gland and thus a hypothyroid or hyperthyroid condition. Many people with thyroid conditions try to self-treat their condition naturally, which is a big mistake. Sure, it might save you some money in the short term, but the odds of you receiving optimal results are very slim. The problem is that every thyroid condition is different, and as a result, people will need a different natural thyroid treatment protocol. And of course, not everyone is a good candidate for natural treatment methods. For example, someone who has had their thyroid gland completely removed will most likely need to be on some form of thyroid hormone for the rest of their life. This doesn't mean that someone who falls under this category can't be helped through natural treatment methods. In fact, people with Hashimoto's thyroiditis and other hypothyroid disorders who have had their thyroid gland removed still need to strengthen their immune system and have other areas of their health addressed that might have caused their condition to develop. So while they probably won't be able to completely restore their health back to normal, they can still use natural thyroid treatment methods to dramatically improve their health and prevent future conditions from developing. Plus, let's not forget that the thyroid gland affects every cell and tissue in the body, so this really isn't something you want to experiment with on your own. As a result, it is highly recommended that you consult with a competent natural doctor who has experience treating thyroid conditions and not to take any risk trying to treat such a disorder on your own. In many cases, nutritional supplements and/or herbal remedies can be beneficial. Of course, the quality of the supplements used is important. You need to be careful as while there are some great nutritional supplement companies out there, many companies produce low-quality products. Even some of those sold in health food stores aren't of the best quality. I have tried products from many different companies, and some of the best products I've used on myself and on patients are produced by a company called Standard Process, as they have been producing quality supplements for many years. And as I just mentioned, it's best to consult with a natural endocrine doctor rather than just take supplements and herbs on your own. Even though supplements can help, not everyone needs to take the same ones, and different people require different dosages as well. I don't want to give you the impression that taking nutritional supplements and herbal remedies alone will be enough to restore your health back to normal. There are actually 5 main factors to help aid in the recovery process for someone that has a thyroid disorder. These include 1. Having a good attitude. 2nd is proper nutrition. 3. Getting ample sleep. 4. Regular exercise. And 5. Doing a good job of managing stress. All of these are important if you want to use natural treatment methods to restore the function of your thyroid gland back to normal, assuming this is possible. As for whether natural thyroid treatment methods can help with your thyroid condition, just keep in mind that everyone is different, which of course means that not everyone will be an ideal candidate to receive these treatment methods. I will conclude this presentation by suggesting that anyone that has been diagnosed with a thyroid condition at least consider speaking with a competent natural doctor, as it just might be possible to restore the function of your thyroid gland back to normal and not have to take thyroid drugs for the rest of your life. While taking prescription drugs might do a good job of managing your symptoms, not getting to the underlying cause of the problem will most likely result in the development of other conditions in the future. And just remember that consulting with a natural doctor doesn't mean that you will be forced to choose a natural thyroid treatment protocol, but will simply give you more valuable information to help you make an informed decision so you won't have any regrets in the future. For more information on how to treat your thyroid condition naturally, please visit naturalendocrinesolutions.com, where you can get a free guide entitled The 6 Steps on How to Treat Your Thyroid Condition Through Natural Methods. This guide contains 100% pure content and is not a sales pitch for any product or service. Thanks for watching this presentation.